Hi, my name is Shayla Malelekwa. I am 21. I am from Botswana. I am going to miss watching the Kardashians. Kim Kardashian is my favorite. Once upon a time in life I was told I have an ass like hers. And so it's just so amazing to see somebody who's so fond about her passion in fashion. She knows who she is, she understands her character and doesn't stop herself from being whatever she wants. So I'm gonna miss seeing that every day and being inspired and aspire to be somebody out of learning from the Kardashians. What I like watching when I'm alone is romantic movies that make me cry, because I tend to become this tough person when I'm with everybody else. So when everybody's not around, I sit alone and just cry everything out. It's gonna have to be Connie Masilo. She's my favorite DSTV personality. Cameron Diaz defines me a whole lot. She's crazy, she's funny, she's silly, but at the same time, she understands who she is and she goes for what she wants, and she never loses focus on track to her success.